Om Shanti, Swamiji. What is the message important now for the new generation?
For new generation, most important the things that they should love themselves. They should love the parents. They should love the elders. And they should know what is the spirituality, what is the God, what is the nature. They have to play. They don't have to sit on computer. They don't have to play with mobile all the time. They need to go in jungle, forest to walk. They have to look the stars. They have to look the moon. They have to know the beauty of the existence. And when person know the beauty of the existence, they know the beauty of themselves. When they play, they are more fresh. After if they study, they will be more better in study. But if always you put them to only with the book, with computer, with mobile, so they will be also like machine. Today most of the people in the world, main reason why they are suffering, because they become like machine. So if you want to live the life, if you don't want to survive the life, you need to love, you need to laugh, you need to dance, you need to sing. This is the life, c'est la vie. So more and more when you enjoy the life, your life will be the meaningful. And this have to start from the childhood. Because whatsoever the habit you create since childhood, this habit go till end. Because it's very difficult to change the old habit when you are older. When you are after 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, it's very difficult to change. But when you are young, it's very easy to get any good habit. So how to get more and more good habit and how to remove the bad habits from our life, this is our young children need to know.
Thank you, thank you.